So last time we used Claude AI and we made our own wallet tracker, right? That tracks calls and what they've done recently. Um, we've did this beautiful dashboard right here, and it tells me how much they made, what their recent buys, what the entry was, and what's their winners and losses. Now, I have not touched it since the last time I've used it because I want to go step by step with you guys, learn it slowly. The last time I built it was like 3 4 days ago, so I haven't looked at it right like since then. I just want to build more stuff on Claude to show you guys. I am invested in other coins. If you want to know what coins I'm invested in, go join my Telegram. So with this video, we're gonna build more stuff, and I asked Claude AI, I was like, what stuff could we build? Let me follow some X accounts, right? So I can build more stuff because this is interesting. All right. So I was like, hold on. I was just thinking, right? Why don't I start building my own shit without the X guys, which is Twitter, right? What's your next ideas? He was like, honestly, that's the right instincts. Copying Bando gets you one video, blah, blah, blah. So it was thinking for me, um, and it picked to do a rug checker, which I liked. I was like, oh yeah, why don't I build a rug checker, right? So it said the convection, it said something completely else. I was talking to it before, and it said the rug checker, and then it said engine with auto paper trade it, and I didn't like it. I was like, yo, let's work on the rug checker, and then we can auto trade it, because we could invest in coins, right? And we could get rugs. So I was like, what about the rug checker and the bundler? He's like, yeah, the rug bundler checker is honestly one of the best ones in the list. It's a single input. You copy and paste the contract address, you get a verdict. And it kept, it built it for me. It didn't even wait for my response. Tick, 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 tick. It's built. So it built it, and I was like, I didn't even reply to it, right? I didn't even look at it. Today I just looked at it and it just built it for me. So I'm over here and I'm seeing this. This right here is new. Now, in order for you to track the wallets, on my last video, you had to have a Helios account, and Helios gives you a free credits of 1 million tokens. It has used 230,000 tokens since 3 days, and I don't open it much. I'm just tracking it every now and then. So let's check if the rug checker that it built me really works, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and the, how do we copy? You see, this is why I like to do this with you guys, because if I click this, it should copy and paste it. Nope, that's not it. This is the Mars token. Yeah, let's check it. It doesn't even work. So you see, that's why I like to do it with you guys. Okay. All right. So a couple of things to run. Okay. And to fix. On the wallet tracker, when I click the token, can you automatically, right, copy the contract address and then I want to paste it in the rug checker. And by the way, the rug checker gave me an error. All right. So, and I'm gonna screenshot this for you guys, right? And I'm gonna paste it here, and we'll be right back. Okay, rug checker is fixed. The error was because you posted an Ethereum address. It wasn't an Ethereum address. It was a Binance. This is a Solana only. So it tells you plainly a Solana mint. It works before. It also gives you a clean messages for brand new tokens. Blah blah blah. All right, I have to fix that. And then click to copy is fixed. Your dashboard runs over plain HTTP. Blah blah blah. Anyways, hard refresh. Wallets. Click token. Let's check everything. I don't want to read it to you. You can read. All right. So 2 things worth adding: EVM support. Okay, you were checking 0x token. You do hold EVM tokens like Tiger, and RugCheck can't do EVM tokens. But I can add a second data source from GoPlus Security, so the checker auto detects and works for both Solana, Ethereum, EVM. Want that? Number two, skip the copy and paste. I can make a clickable token. Wallet jump straight to rug checker and auto run it. Okay, so I'm gonna do one. Hell yes, I want EVM support. Okay, for ETH, Ethereum, BNB, Robinhood tokens, and number two, I want I want copy and paste, and I don't want you to automatically go to rug checker, because sometimes I want to copy and paste it to buy or to check other stuff with it on Dex Screener, etc. All right, so let it run. But while it's running, let's check if the copy and paste works, right? So I go to my tracker and let me refresh it. And each time I refresh it, it's kind of buggy. That's another thing. That's another thing I want to fix, right? So you see, it keeps using the tokens. I feel like it decreased. Wasn't it 239? Or am I tripping? Okay. Let's see. Might want to close my messages, right? Okay. Yeah, see, you see it's buggy. So let's fix that. Go back here. By the way, the wallet tracker is very buggy. I keep refreshing it and it keeps lagging. So let it do all that and we'll be back. Okay, that took like 10 minutes, but the rug checker is now multi-chain, works on Solana, Ethereum, BSC, Robinhood, and we're gonna test that out. Robinhood is on Dex Screener. It is. It is. So I'll have to correct that. Wallet tracker lag, the endpoint itself was fine. The lag was the background score. All right, so let's refresh it and check it out. Okay. It's the thing about it, when I go like this, it refreshes and then it stops. So still buggy. See, it works now, but I'm gonna tell it to fix that. So let's see if the copy and paste works. So I click on it and it does this little green thing. Let's go to rug checker. Oh, yep, it works. Let me see. Check. All right, so you see it's 0% bundled, renounced. Um, the liquidity is locked. That's 0%. The metadata is locked. So I'm guessing the green is good and the red is bad. Top 10 holders is 67.5, 14 insider links, low liquidity. So this one is caution. All right. So what I'm gonna do with this, right, is I'm gonna say I like it, right, but it needs to tell me a score 1 through 100, right? And it needs to have it needs to tell me whether the red is dangerous and the green is no. Rewind. I just wanted to tell me a score 1 through 100, okay? That would tell me more, right? And I'm gonna check this and see some other rug checkers to compare it to this. This is not bad. This is pretty good. All right, I like it. So let's check another one. I'm gonna go to Dex Screener real quick, right? And we're gonna check. All right, this Mars coin came out today, and it pumped because of a tweet from because CZ burned tokens. So let's try that. I want to check it honestly. All right, caution. Pause blacklist. Yes. What the hell does that mean? That means, oh, they can blacklist the token. Okay, it's yellow. Transfers possible. Top 10 holders is 78%. Damn. Renounced, yes. Verified source, yes. Okay, so this one, the liquidity is locked. Um, it's still caution. Let's check the other Mars coin that I'm invested in, which is this one right here. Okay, and I believe this one's gonna moon really hard in the upcoming days. Uh, Boom! What a lovely. Looks okay. Honeypot no. Blacklist no. Buy sell tax is 0%. No. Renounced LP 25%. Top 10 holders. All right. So we're done with the rug checker. All right. The last thing we're gonna do for this video, and we're gonna start improving and building this thing, right? The last thing, I'm gonna do a 1 through 100 score, right? And I'm gonna tell it that there is Robinhood, right? And I'm just gonna be like, yo, there's Robinhood right here. What are you talking about? So let me take a screenshot. All right, and then go right here. What are you talking about? There is Robinhood tokens. Maybe it's thinking about Robinhood's the app. So let's fix that. And also, I want. Oh, okay. Also, I want a score from 1 to 100 on the rug checker. Okay. All right. So last but not least, I got a brain freeze. Last but not least, Robinhood auto detect fixed, and then the 1 to 100 safety score added. 75 to 100 looks okay. 40 to 74 is caution, and anything under is a danger, right? So let's test that out real quick, and let's go to Robinhood and just test. Let's go with Hood game. This right here, this chart looks like a straight rug, so this should be easy for them to detect. All right, looks okay. What the what? No, this does not look okay, my friend. So I'm gonna fix that, and then let's do this. F is very good. That I know that's for sure. But oh, by the way, me copying Robinhood means that they fixed the Robinhood error. All right, F looks good. This Hood game, I don't think. Shit looks like. What the hell is this? I don't know. Is this legit? All right. You know what? I'm gonna come back with another video. I don't want this video to go long, but so last video we did the wallet checker. This video we did the rug checker, and the next thing we'll do is something else. Thank you so much for watching. I will post this ASAP.